Hello everybody, and welcome to M. Taylor's Money Making and Marketing Sense channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many aspiring creators are eager to explore. Some of the best ways to earn money from your YouTube channel with long videos. YouTube has transformed the way we consume content, and it also offers a plethora of income opportunity for those willing to put in the effort. From ad revenue and sponsorships to merchandise sales and affiliate marketing, the potential to monetize your channel is vast. And if you appreciate this type of content and would like to receive more, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share it with friends who might get value from it as well. Now, you might be wondering why long videos are particularly important. Well, research shows that longer videos tend to keep viewers engaged for more extended periods, which can significantly boost your channel's performance. When viewers stick around, it not only increases your watch time, but also enhances your chances of ranking higher in search results. This means more visibility and ultimately more revenue. In this video, we aim to provide you with actionable insights on how to leverage long-form content effectively. We'll discuss various monetization strategies that can help you maximize your earnings while keeping your audience engaged. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, understanding the dynamics of long videos can be a game changer for your channel. So grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes as we explore the world of YouTube monetization together. Understanding YouTube monetization. Let's take a closer look at the different monetization options available on YouTube. One of the primary pathways to earning money on the platform is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To qualify for YPP, you need to meet specific eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're accepted, you can start earning from various revenue streams. Ad revenue is one of the most common ways creators make money. By enabling ads on your videos, you can earn money based on views and clicks. However, there are other lucrative options as well. For instance, channel memberships allow your subscribers to support you financially in exchange for exclusive perks, such as badges and access to members-only content. Additionally, merchandise sales can be a fantastic revenue stream, enabling you to sell branded products directly to your audience. It's crucial to remember that adhering to YouTube monetization policies and guidelines is essential for maintaining your eligibility. Violating these rules can lead to demonetization or even account termination, which can be devastating for your channel. By understanding and following these guidelines, you can create a sustainable income stream while building a loyal community. In the next sections, we'll delve deeper into each monetization option, helping you make informed decisions to maximize your earnings on YouTube. Creating engaging long-form content. When it comes to producing captivating long videos that retain viewers, storytelling is key. A well-crafted narrative can keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Begin by outlining your main points and weaving them into a compelling story that resonates with your viewers. This approach not only maintains interest but also makes your content more relatable and memorable. In addition to storytelling, incorporating visuals, graphics, and editing techniques can significantly enhance viewer engagement. Use eye-catching visuals to illustrate your points and break up the monotony of talking heads. Infographics, animations, and relevant clips can help clarify complex ideas and keep the audience visually stimulated. Effective editing techniques, such as pacing and transitioning, can also maintain momentum and prevent viewers from losing interest. Consistency in content creation is another crucial strategy for building a loyal audience over time. Establish a regular posting schedule that your viewers can anticipate. This not only helps in retaining your current audience, but also attracts new subscribers who appreciate your commitment to delivering quality content. By consistently providing valuable and engaging long-form videos, you create a sense of trust and reliability, encouraging viewers to return for more. In summary, focus on storytelling, enhance your videos with engaging visuals, and maintain a consistent upload schedule. These strategies will help you produce long-form content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Optimizing video SEO. To ensure your long videos reach a wider audience, optimizing them for search engine and YouTube's algorithm is essential. One of the first steps in this process is conducting thorough keyword research. Identifying relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for can significantly enhance your video's visibility. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video title, description, and tags. Using relevant tags helps YouTube understand the content of your video, making it easier for the algorithm to recommend it to viewers interested in similar topics. Another critical aspect of video optimization is creating eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail is often the first impression the viewer will have of your video, so make it visually appealing and representative of the content. A compelling title that includes your primary keyword can also attract more clicks. Aim for titles that spark curiosity while clearly conveying what the video is about. Additionally, consider using closed captions and transcripts for your videos. Not only do they improve accessibility for viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, but they also enhance your SEO. Search engines can index the text and captions and transcripts, making it easier for your video to appear in search results. By implementing these strategies, keyword research, engaging thumbnails and titles, and closed captions, you can optimize your long videos effectively, increasing their chances of being discovered and watched by a larger audience. Promoting your long videos. To reach a wider audience for your long videos, effective promotion strategies are essential. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to share your snippets or teasers of your videos, driving traffic back to your YouTube channel. Engaging with your audience on these platforms can also foster a sense of community, encouraging viewers to share your content with their networks. Another effective strategy is collaborating with other YouTubers. Partnering with creators in your niche can help you tap into their audience, exposing your content to new viewers who may be interested in what you have to offer. Collaboration can take various forms, such as guest appearances, joint projects, or shout-outs, all of which can enhance your visibility and credibility within the community. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. If you have a mailing list, use it to notify your subscribers about new video releases. Craft engaging emails that highlight the value of your latest content and include direct links to your videos. This not only keeps your current audience informed, but also encourages them to engage with your content right away. By leveraging social media, collaborating with fellow creators, and utilizing email marketing, you can effectively promote your long videos and expand your reach. These strategies will help you build a loyal audience and increase your channel's growth over time. Analyzing performance metrics. Tracking video performance and viewer engagement is crucial for any YouTube creator looking to improve their content and grow their channel. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into how your videos are performing. Key metrics to assess include views, watch time, likes, comments, and shares. These metrics help you understand what resonates with your audience and what doesn't. One of the most important metrics to focus on is viewer retention rates. This figure indicates how long viewers are watching your videos before they drop off. A high retention rate suggests that your content is engaging, while a low rate may indicate that viewers are losing interest. By analyzing where viewers tend to stop watching, you can identify specific segments that may need improvement. Adjusting your content based on these insights can lead to more engaging videos that keeps viewers hooked. Regular analysis of your performance metrics is essential for refining your strategies and improving future video performance. By consistently reviewing your analytics, you can spot trends and patterns that inform your content creation process. For example, if you notice that videos on a particular topic perform better, consider creating more content in that niche. In summary, leveraging YouTube analytics to track performance and viewer engagement is vital for your growth as a creator. By interpreting viewer retention rates and regularly analyzing your metrics, you can make informed decisions that enhance your content and attract a larger audience. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key points we've discussed about earning money from your YouTube channel through long-form content. We explored various monetization strategies, including the YouTube Partner Program, channel membership, merchandise sales, and the significance of ad revenue. We also highlighted how long videos can enhance viewer retention and engagement, making them a valuable asset for your channel. Success on YouTube requires consistent effort and a willingness to adapt. The landscape is always changing, and staying informed about trends and best practices is essential. By focusing on creating engaging long form content, optimizing your video for SEO, and promoting them effectively, you can build a loyal audience and increase your revenue potential. I encourage you to take action on the strategies we discussed today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more amazing information like this. Like and share this video with fellow creators who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us to grow and continue providing quality content. Lastly, feel free to explore more of our videos for in-depth discussions on specific topics related to YouTube's success. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Together, let's navigate the exciting world of YouTube and unlock your channel's full potential.